Hi, this was shared with me so I can share it with you. And I'm going to just unbox this right here. This is a cute little decorative shelf. So here is what it looks like. It has little decorative string there. And then this is the holiday themed one. So we have little pine cones, more little pine cones, the drywall screws and things to hang it. And then this is the second piece. So these are just going to hang. Open here so you can see what they actually look like. They are just going to hang like this, and they're little decorations. So then you're just going to set your pine cones and things right on there, and then they're going to have batteries, and they'll light up. It is a nice size to it there. That's maybe 18 inches from top to bottom. So it makes a cute little decorative triangle, and then you're going to just put your items right in there. So then this is what the little decorations look like. This one is LED string lights. Open this up. And if you didn't want to use these on there, you can even use them as a centerpiece for a holiday table as well. They have some different uses there. But in this one here, we're going to put it right on top of our shelf. So here is how this looks. It's going to have a battery, so we can plug that in and see what that looks like. It does have a little twisty tie here. So if you want to unravel it, you just do that like that, and then you're going to have the full piece there. And you can, it's on like a copper wire, so you can bend it around however you want to. The full length of it here, see if I can get a full length of it to show. Got the little jingle bells, that's fun. So there, the whole way over to there. So there's that 1, 2, 3, 5 feet. And again, it's just little pine cones, little berries, and little jingle bells with little tufts of pine as well. All artificial, but it looks very realistic.
Alright, so I'm basically just going to hang this off of this and hold it where I want it, and should be able to mark right there. Alright, I'm not putting this in with a thing, I'm using a little eyepiece to screw these in, an eye hook. I should be able to push on this, and you want it up.
Most likely.
Like that.
Perfect.
Now, just gotta get that guy off. And since it's hanging out, it should just hang straight down off of those and against the wall. Like that. Pretty cool.
Nice.
Now the next one, I'm gonna try to get right above the other one.
And however you want to decorate, you can put them beside each other, across from each other, off center, directly centered, however you want to decorate.
Give myself a little bit extra room because it looked like it wanted to go down a little bit further whenever I put it on the hook.
Yeah, the hook has a little chop to it.
Does that look about the same?
Yes.
All right, we got them
eyeballing it. There is a seam to the drywall that, or the paneling there, so at least you can go by that a little bit.
I'm gonna get it started by hand this time. All right. Ooh, get something. All right. So go ahead. Throw that one up on there like that, and there you go. All set up, super simple.
Then the final step is just to take the batteries out. You see there it says open right there, and you're just going to slide that off like that. You're going to put 3 AA batteries in each one, and then we will have light. So there we got all 3 in, and then here we've got, these are your options. You've got on, that's the flash, and that's the solid. So on, and you can flash, or you can do solid. And that's a pretty gold light there. So then you just got to string that up onto your little rope parts here to make it decorative. So here I just wrap this around, and of course since they are a wire, you can just do what you want and make it stick around the rope part there, like the twine. If you want to bend them however you think it looks best, or you can just let them hang naturally however they fall. That is up to you. You can put them off to the side, you can bring them across the front, however you want to do that. But there we have one of them finished. Now we just need to do the second one. That's a very nice little, got it a little crooked right now from decorating it. We do have the batteries. The batteries are kind of a little weighted, so what you might want to do is maybe put them in the center. If you put them in the center and then maybe put something over them, or lay them flat, that might be the way to go. If you lay them flat, then nobody's really going to see it. From there, they're pretty much covered. And of course, if you put another little figure on there, you're not going to see them at all. So there we have that. But that's what was making it lopsided. The batteries were off to the side, so they were keeping it crooked. But now the batteries are in the center, you're good. There we go. So there's what it looks like when it's all said and done. And again, you can just kind of move these around however you want to make them look however you want them to look. Kind of move that around there. I do have it a little uneven right now, but you're welcome to change that however you want to. I have the top one flashing right now, and then the bottom one I have solid. And if you want to, you could even put a small planter up here. This has a nice width, so if you have like a 4 or 5 inch planter, you could set that up there as well, or little decorative icons, whatever you want to do, little ornaments of some sort. They could go there. I might put some of my smaller games on there. And yeah, so very nice little decorative accent piece for your house, your office, your bathroom, whatever you want to decorate there. So check it out.